This is Abdullah Kashmul, class CIS 113, database management using SQL, and this is week 5 assignment. For this assignment, I installed the program and also created a database and modified the tables on it. So I deleted some of the other tables to create my own tables. I created department and employee. Just created it with my variables, and I made it. I added more data to it so that when I want to test it, I can I have more data to test. So, for example, this is the department, which is department name, state, city, and for the employees, I added more employees up to 100 employee. And I already have a script saved for creating it. So first of all, I dropped the tables, the other tables that I didn't want, and I created a new one. I also created these are the values. I copied it from somewhere, but as I learned from the previous classes how to modify the data to look the way I wanted, so I modified everything to look like this so that I can copy and paste it and run it in the program. And since I didn't know how many departments are in the top data, I used the select distinct department to show me the different departments in the data that I entered to create the departments later. Then it showed me the different departments, and I added all different departments. There might be something wrong in here. I'm gonna have to check if it's added or not. And these are some different tests that I run it through the program. The first one, so my select is I renamed everything, so whenever I want all the table, I already have all this line where everything is named correctly rather than for example, last name, I recorrected to last name so it shows correctly for employees and department, where employees, this is just first test where to see all the data, and the second one is also another test. And I also tried to update the data to change the data in the that I already have, change the names or anything like that. And I also tried using the average function to where anyone whose salary is less than that. I tried different condition on the where, and I also tried this function where I can see anyone's name that starts with an A, well, first name, and also I tried this function where it shows anyone who's in New York and Massachusetts. Also, I added the function where department and the departments in employee and departments in department to equal each other.